but not just the provision in 2 or 3 parishes and whoever get the bus, get the bus.
I am so delighted, so happy to be here this morning to look at all these buses that have come. I know when they roll out, come September morning, parents all over rural Jamaica are going to be celebrating because they don't have to spend all that money to transport their children to school. This is a significant benefit on behalf of all our children all across rural Jamaica. This can only get bigger and better.
In 2 or 3 parishes,
we are going to be able to get our children to school in style.
In 2 or 3 parishes,
100 routes, 258 schools, 328,000 students in the first phase. Within 2 years, we will be able to cover the 850 schools.
In 2 or 3 parishes,
We will have a fulsome rural school bus for all 14 parishes, for all 650,000 students and 850 schools. How that sound, sister?
Very good.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Very good.
Yeah. See there? September morning. Come in, schoolers. Come in.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to another interesting video from Jamaica. Hey, green is live. Hey, green is everything. Green is the main cocoa. Hey, green is the banger. If you are not a green member, you better think twice, because green is going to give you that beautiful life you are looking for. I might even title my video that Jamaica is becoming one of the best English-speaking country. How do I say? In the Caribbean. Why am I saying that, guys? Because of the development that is happening in Jamaica. Don't be surprised that you wake up in just a year and you will not believe how Jamaica look like. Now, guys, we have been talking about these school buses that is coming. They are coming in, like, they are starting to work in Jamaica in September, taking kids from school. Guys, do you know something? Do you know the most exciting thing about these school buses in Jamaica? Even me myself, I didn't know, but any beautiful things that the JLP, because some people, or let's say the PNP, they always ask, what are those things that the JLPs or whatsoever the JLP are doing? Now, in our own little way, we begin to open people's eyes to let them see the little things that the JLP are doing in Jamaica. I'm going to do and show you people where the Prime Minister was speaking about the road construction, that people don't speak about those things that they are doing, and they are done and finished, done and dusted. Nobody says anything about it. Always, the people always ask, okay, if something is done in this parish and in the other parish is not done, people start asking. They don't see the one that is already been done. And not everything is going to be done at once. It's one step to the other. And now, before going to any other thing, we're going to look into this bus transportation for kids in the school. There's something that a lot of people, you know, when you have, like me, I'm from Africa, living in Germany, and now I'm having interest in the Caribbean. Definitely, I know how things function in Germany, a little of Europe, but mostly in Germany where I live. I know, at least when it comes to school buses and all that, I know how the thing go. When it comes about in Nigeria, I know how things function. At the same time, I'm seeing how it's functioning in Jamaica. So I am also in the right part, because I have known the good, the bad, and the ugly in other countries. For me, coming to see that the government of Jamaica, Prime Minister, JLP, bringing school buses in Jamaica for students for free, guys, is something very big. Let us look at it like this. In a country where I was born and brought up, in Nigeria, there is nobody that is going to take your child in any school bus that is free. You have to pay. In Germany, guys, where I live, in the Babylon, where people think that, people pick money from the trees or from the ground, or money is cheating. Like you are cheating money. People think like that. Like the Babylon is, in fact, is a fairy tale. You understand what I'm saying? Here in Germany, guys, school buses are not free. It's the reality. The parents have to buy ticket every month for the children to be able to follow the school bus. If your child don't have ticket, your child cannot go with the school bus because the school bus is not for free. Now the JLP, according to me, the Black Beauty TV, outsider having interest in Jamaica, seeing what is happening in Jamaica, comparing Babylon, Africa, where the school buses you have to pay money. Yes, it might not be maybe like people that are working, it will be less than workers, but at least know how. School buses in Germany, 30-something euros, almost like, or let's say from 30-something to 40 euros. That's how people pay, or students pay school buses. You understand? So it is not for free. Now, the government of Jamaica come and say, what? We are bringing school buses in Jamaica. And these school buses, parents don't even want, like parents don't have to suffer. To say, oh, I don't have money for the school bus because the school bus is free. Your child just enter the school bus and go to school. Is there anything? Guys, you might not see it. But when you are in other country, you might be thinking, oh, other countries are better. No. I don't think there's any country that has school buses for free. Hey, I have to look for that country and then I come and tell you. Now in Jamaica, me as a foreigner, I am surprised. And I said, up to the green. That's why I say green is life. And for those of you, opposition party, PNP, you are asking, what has the JLP been doing? Have you ever had school buses that are free? No payment in Jamaica? I don't think so. Maybe this is the first time. But before we go, guys, into that road construction, they finish road construction and the speech of our Prime Minister. There's one of our Jamaican brothers. Since I'm doing Jamaican content, there's this our Jamaican brother. He's doing this. He's a tour guide, taking foreigners that want to see Jamaica. If you are in Jamaica and you are looking for somebody to take you around Jamaica, and it's our brother in Jamaica. Yes. You know, we the JLP, we the Green, we want everybody to succeed in anything you are doing. Whether small businesses, big businesses, our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, have shown us the way to be generous. That is why me, the Black Beauty TV, in my own little way, I saw a brother, a Jamaican brother. He's on Facebook, he's on IG, you can check on him. And this, our brother, is doing this tour guides business around Jamaica. He's also a musician. If you visit Jamaica and you say, I don't know anybody in Jamaica, you are afraid, you don't know how to go around Jamaica, just give this our brother a call. He has a very fine bus. Music is there. Anywhere you want to go around Jamaica, the whole parishes in Jamaica, he is ready to take you round. You understand how the banger and how the thing go. And his name and his business name is Keywheel Music Endorse. You understand? Very beautiful. He has taken a lot of people. He has been dealing. This is not a paid advert. Nobody paid me to say this. It's just for me, in my little green way, trying to help a brother in my small way. So if you are watching me, you are a foreigner, you want to travel to Jamaica, or even if you are in Jamaica, somebody want to visit you, you don't know how far. Because even if you are in Jamaica, you don't know, you might not know everywhere in Jamaica. According to him, he said that if you want to go around Jamaica, it's about like 16 hours. And the best way to do it and enjoy it very well, it will be like you take just 2 days and then you go around for that 16 hours and you are seeing different places. He can take you to different places, different beaches in Jamaica. You see whatever you want to see and then you relax yourself. So my brother, I think I have tried my best in my little way to promote your little business, because we, the green, you see our Prime Minister, you see Andrew Holness, he goes to the farmers, he goes to people in the kiosks, small businesses, school children. There is nobody that is left behind. And we the green, that is how we do our tingo. We want everybody in Jamaica to succeed. So please, I will drop his card here. If you have anything you want to contact him, you can contact him and he will tell you more about his business. Now let us look into our main cocoa, what we are about to do today about the road in Jamaica. I want us to watch this video first. After we watch the video, and then we'll come back, say something about it, and we'll see how far. But let me beg you for something, guys. If you have not liked the video, kindly like the video, share the video, and I've seen my videos on Facebook. For those of you who are using this video, who are sharing this video for the good of our green party, God bless you guys. Kindly share the video as we move ahead, and we see the goodness of our JLP. Shower. Oh, shower, guys. Shower. Everywhere now. Shower. Let's go watch that video and then we'll come.
And here we are in Irwin looking at Jamaica's longest bridge. This is the Montego River Bridge. The bridge is 180 meters long. And straight ahead over there you're looking at the Meadows of Irwin area. Here is Jamaica's Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, speaking on the state of road infrastructure in Jamaica.
So again this morning on my way in, I listened to a caller in Hopewell, Hanover, and the caller was very angry that his road is in a terrible state of disrepair, like many roads across Jamaica. And every time you drop into a pothole, you don't want to hear nothing about why and any reason. You just want that road fixed. And I understand that. That is what the government is there to do, to just get the road fixed. But there is a certain reality that as electors, you have to account, appreciate, absorb, and internalize in your own analysis of the performance of the government. Jamaica has over 27,000 kilometers of roads. Half of them are in a state of disrepair. Those roads were not built in 10 years. They were not built in 20 years. They were not built in 30 years, 40 years. Those roads were built, some of them, as far back as 100 years ago. So you cannot expect that every single bad road is going to be fixed in 1 decade. What the public does not know, however, is how many roads has been actually fixed in the decade. What you hear is of the roads not fixed, but you don't hear of the roads fixed. What you hear is of the communities that don't have water. What you don't hear is of the communities that have gotten water. What you hear of is the places that are flooded out because of poor drainage, but what you don't hear of is that we have fixed this problem that has existed for decades in the Mighton Gully, spending over 370 million Jamaican dollars to expand the waterway with 4 culverts and to pave the invert for over 200 meters. Yes, 38,000 people who live in this area who would normally be affected, plus all the traffic that moves through, no longer has this inconvenience. Nobody is going to credit the government with that performance. It is the reality of our politics and the way in which we conduct our social and political affairs. So my job is to constantly bring into the public domain the work of the government. Because for years we have been programmed to be suspicious of government, to be disbelieving of government. We have been programmed for governments that don't perform. That's how it has been. And so what they call the confirmation bias that exists within people is to believe that government is not performing, even when confronted with the facts. And the fact is that no other administration in the history of Jamaica has spent more on roads and building of highways than this administration has in the last 9 years. None. But having said that, I am not gloating. I am not bragging. I am stating a fact. And as I have stated that fact, I will also say there is still much, 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 much more to be done.
So you see, guys, when you don't listen very well, you will not understand how the thing goes. And people that don't really listen very well are people that always judge. You judge without listening. I am so happy and so amazed. Do you know one thing I love, especially with Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, is that he's an intelligent man and very, very honest. He don't just come because, okay, I am now looking for my third term in office and I'm going to promise people things that are not going to be, they are not going to be it's not realistic. You can't just come and be saying, oh, okay, people are complaining that the road is not good, we will fix. No. Did you listen? Or is it only me that I'm listening? Because, you know, some people, when you give a speech, when they are watching videos, they don't really listen very well. So let me explain to you guys. Your Prime Minister was open. It's not every politician that will be open-minded to talk to you and make you see the reality in the things he's saying. The whole roads in Jamaica were not built in a day. They were not built in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. They were built over hundreds of years. So tell me now, how do you expect the JLP to come just second term and you expect them to fix the whole roads in Jamaica? He told you guys it is not going to be possible that everywhere in Jamaica that the roads will be done today. No. He told you people the reality. There is no any politician that tells you guys that, oh, we are going to make this, we are going to make this. Till the person finishes his term, he will not be able to do even half of what this Holness of a guy has done in Jamaica. And you don't expect him that he's going to fix every road in Jamaica the same time. Of course, he has to start somewhere and then go to the next parish. And the one he has been doing, the worst part is that people don't see what is being done. People only see, people don't see what is being done. People only see what is undone, what is not yet done. You only focus on the ones that are not yet finished or started. But you forget to see the ones that the government have done. Look at the road that the government have done and say, okay, this government have done something. Compare it to the past government. Compare a lot of things to the past government in your country. Now look at how Jamaica in the Caribbean is becoming one of the best. Yes, it's the reality, whether people want to like it or not. Jamaica is changing daily. Jamaica is becoming hot cake now. Everybody want to go to Jamaica. Everybody want to be identified with Jamaica. Ask yourself, why do people talk about only Jamaica in the whole of this world and not other Caribbean? Yes, other Caribbean countries, even me myself, I've seen the existence of other Caribbean countries. But when you want to talk the reality, saying the truth without hiding it, when you see anybody talk about the Caribbean, there is nobody that will speak about the Caribbean and will not say something about Jamaica. There is nowhere in the world you will go that you will see a Caribbean restaurant, you will not see that it is a Jamaican restaurant. So ask yourself, look at how your country is going forward. Even now, yes, oil is discovered in Jamaica, but the oil have not started, like they have not started doing anything with it. Comparing it with Guyana that have oil, Jamaica is still ahead without even the oil money. So ask yourself, what do you want? A country like Jamaica with school buses and everything for free, bringing different programs, care programs for people that are not capable to like further education or go to school, or the government is there to help you, giving housing for the people that are not able to have house of their own. So it is something to be proud of. Andrew Holness is an intelligent man. I'm so proud of him. Hearing him talking about this, everything they do, you will not hear of it. Just like the other woman the other day, she doesn't want to shake him because, oh, there is no water in my community. She's supporting the PNP, and the PNP has been in power before the JLP, and that water was not provided in that community. Now look at what he said. If this community is not having water, that is the only thing you will hear. The community that have, you will not hear. The project that is completed, you will not hear about it. People will not speak about it. Oh, they have completed this project. Only the uncompleted project that people always just talk about it. You cannot tell me that you don't see the changes in your country. It is your country. A lot of you are there. A lot of you that are even in the diaspora, you travel and go to Jamaica and you see the difference. So how do you judge your Prime Minister this way? Anyway, for me, the Black Beauty TV, as I will always tell you guys, I am not a Jamaican. I'm just doing my video and having interest in Jamaica. So, if you have not liked my video, kindly like the video, and we shall surely come back to another video. Come back tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the Black Beauty TV, like the video, share the video, and then we'll continue to promote our JLP. We continue to promote our green. We continue to see the goodness that the Prime Minister of Jamaica is doing to his people. I want to even forget, but I don't think I'm going to forget this thing. There's a post I also saw. A family, I think they call them the family, Anderson family, that the Prime Minister visited. This family received a very, very sad news about their family members living in the overseas. I don't know why I nearly forget this video. And then the family had an accident and all 6 members of the family died. My condolences if you are watching me and you are from that family. So it was a very, very bad news. Your Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, went to visit that family to show his condolence. Tell me, guys, which Prime Minister do these kind of things that Andrew Holness is doing? You need to see the little things. Because in life, people don't understand something. It's not by doing big things. Even small things, little things in life can put smile. Let me read what they wrote in that post that I got. It says, over the weekends, Mr. Anderson received the devastating news that 6 members of his family overseas were traveling in a vehicle which collided with a semi-truck, tragically killing all 6 persons. I can only imagine the deep pain and tremendous anguish this overwhelming loss has caused. Yesterday, I visited Mr. Anderson to convey my condolences as he and his family proceed and navigate through grief. Let us hold this family in our prayers, in our hearts, and cover them in our prayer. He went there, he sat with them, showed them his own concern about what happened with their family in overseas. How many presidents, how many governors, how many prime ministers are concerned about their people? How many of them are concerned about the lives of their people? How many of them, how many president, PM, cares about what happened to their people? Anyway, guys, that is the video of today from the Black Beauty TV. Like the video, share the video, and then see you again in another video from this borough of JLP. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, and God bless you. Have a wonderful time. It's me, the Black Beauty TV, and thank you so much for watching, for sharing, and for liking the video. Bye-bye.